VW Lifers, it's
What's
a VW Life Thursday. They watch it on Thursday.
Oh yeah, I was saying today's Thursday?
But we are celebrating the first third Saturday of the year today.
And we're going to Top Notch.
Ooh, I'm hungry. I want a
Burgers,
fried pie.
Fries, cherry pies.
Burgers and pie. Oh, burgers and fries.
And fries and cherry pies.
And cherry pies.
I don't know what this song is, but welcome to VW Life and let's hit the road.
Let's go. We got things to do. We got Volkswagens to see. And it's an epic night, man. The weather is beautiful. Let's go.
All right, we showed up at Top Notch and there's a Beetle broke down over here.
Looks like somebody's down over here, so we're gonna walk down here and see if we can help them out and see what the deal is.
And then you turn back on, and then you start.
What's happening?
We don't know.
Got gas?
You don't have gas, yeah.
Okay.
Gas, you got
That's
spark?
step one.
Yeah.
Do you have spark?
I think I have spark. Yeah.
Can you try turning it over?
Yeah, thank you guys.
All right.
Yeah, you might have to push it. I don't want to push it on.
We fixed it. Yeah!
I'm good, baby.
Because you press it down.
We didn't have to do anything.
We fixed it. Sometimes, just the mere presence of us and a Volkswagen is cured.
Yes.
Normally it's the opposite.
Yeah,
You go
yeah.
around and it
Usually the tires fall off. But just then, it was just magic. Poof.
What's your name?
Jason.
Jason. I just saw you pull in. I said nice 62. And you said what?
I just bought it like 3 hours ago.
You bought it 3 hours ago.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
How's it feel?
Good. We just moved to the Austin area and I've owned like 6 or 7 different V-dubs.
Yeah.
Didn't bring one with the move, so wanted to get back into it.
Dude, that is awesome.
Thanks.
My name's Cole.
Cole, you've got a Beetle.
Yes, sir. 1966. Bought it about a month ago. Just arrived on a truck 2 days ago. So it's my first air-cooled.
And you did like a valve adjustment today, it sounds like?
Yesterday, yeah. Did the valve adjustment and changed the oil, and that was it.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, welcome to the gang.
Thanks, man. Happy to be here.
Well, hello out there in VW Life land. Gary here with Mr. Cody. Cody, very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Gary.
Man, we are so glad that you guys joined us here tonight. So Cody, tell us a little bit. What are you and Katie doing? Katie and Cody. And Bentley. Bentley.
Yeah,
Katie's
yeah.
here. Now hey, our ratings just went up.
Yeah, we're just like traveling around right now for the next year and going around pretty much the border of the U.S., looking at different sites, you know.
Wow, and what's home base for y'all?
Colorado Springs.
So y'all are just driving around and exclusively living in your Vanagon?
Yep,
yeah. No motels or anything?
Couple friends' houses, but no, we don't do campgrounds or any motels or anything like that.
So you're basically boondocking your way around pretty much?
Pretty much.
How many Walmarts have you stayed in?
Not too many, like 5, but like this park here in Austin, we've been here for probably 5 days now at Ziegler Park or...
Zilker Park?
Zilker, yeah. So we've been there.
They haven't ran y'all out down there, huh? That's
like
good.
us. They embrace us there.
Yeah. Well, this is Austin. They're a pretty,
Yeah.
it's a pretty laid back place. Tell us about what you guys are doing your tour in. What's the story on your Vanagon Westie?
It's a 85 Vanagon,
Okay.
and we've done pretty much everything ourselves, and another couple kind of helped us trick it all out. We did a Subaru conversion, all new suspension, bushing, shocks, everything. Put the high top on and just got
So it did not have a high top. It had the pop top in it. Was it?
Like this one over
Okay.
here, yeah.
So y'all did the conversion on that.
Yep,
Okay.
did everything.
Excellent. You got a canopy comes out here.
Yeah,
And I saw you have a shower on the other side,
Shower
right?
on the other
Oh,
side.
talk about some of the gear setups you got back here. This is very unique. I like this. What all do you have going on back
so
here,
this
Cody?
is just a little grill to cook on if we wanted to.
Right, propane or?
Yep, propane. And
Okay.
then this is just dog food. It's sealed dog food.
Hey,
so that's
Bentley's
why it
got to
sticks
eat,
out.
right?
Yep.
I recognize it must be Bentley's because there's
Bentley's
his balls.
Yep. And then this is just like a tow strap for getting stuck in the sand because we're still two-wheel drive. Oil, coolant, transmission fluid, just all the stuff to get us through.
Right.
This is our toilet right here.
Yep, I'm familiar with
So,
those. Yep.
Yeah.
Now, it's all about the road shower. How's that
Yeah.
working?
It's not working as good when we're in cities. Shower naked.
Might be frowned
but-
upon.
Yeah, but I mean, it's been working good. And then that's her surfboard. I'm gonna buy another one here in the next week or
Okay.
so, and that's a surfboard rack on this
Okay.
side to
All right.
hold that. Luckily, someone gave us that, so very thankful for that.
Surfers from Colorado Springs? That can't be originally from there, right? Or?
No, we're just trying to learn it this trip. We had bikes on it in the first 5 months we were here.
Okay.
And then now we're gonna try surfing and
Okay.
switch it up.
Excellent.
Try
Oh my
something
gosh.
different, you know.
What drove y'all to decide? Hey, we're gonna let's see the country. What was the driving force behind that for y'all?
I don't know. You just
Like, I mean, we've like talked about it, so things just kind of lined up. We both quit our jobs and with the pandemic, and we wanted to move and stuff, and so the year just kind of.
yeah, everything kind of just fell in place, and
I think
here we are.
it's awesome. You
Yeah.
know, y'all are truly. This is a big thing for people now. And you
Mm-hmm.
guys are. I mean, but you hear a lot of people. Oh, I want to do this. Y'all are really doing it.
Yeah,
So-
absolutely.
Adventures. Tell us anything just crazy.
Craziest adventure was we've been chasing the fires and the smoke for a long time.
Yeah.
In Oregon and Washington, and then there was one night where we went about 2 miles up this dirt road, and it was windy as all crap. We started driving out in the morning, and there's just tree down off the entire road. So we left the van, started hiking. We didn't have phone service to try to get some help. Long story short, sheriff came with a chainsaw, and about, I don't know, 3 hours later, and us moving trees, he got us out.
So they had like one of those wind shear things came
Yep.
in and knocked the trees down.
everything
huh?
down, and then the next day, where we were was entirely up in flames. And if we would have stayed another night, we would have definitely
Holy
died.
guacamole! Then have y'all like? Well, let's go back to Colorado Springs a little bit for a couple weeks.
We just went home for Christmas, so
Okay.
we did like the whole West Coast, and then we did 3 weeks at home to saw our families, and then we're just heading to do the East Coast for the next 5 months. And
Yep.
fingers crossed the border opens up and we can go to Nova Scotia and
Oh, nice.
get into Canada. But
Yes. So what about all the eating, y'all? I mean, do y'all food prep everything for yourselves?
he's the cook. Don't look at me. I don't
I
cook.
saw that Katie give that look.
I mean, we cook most of the time, but here we've ate out. We went to Terry Black's and
yeah, you had to go there.
get
Eat
some
good barbecue.
tacos
Yeah,
and stuff. So
tacos.
we probably go out 2 or 3 days a week.
That's
just
good.
to-
Do you have a paper roadmap? You have it on the phone, or you just what's driving you to the next place?
Like I said, since we've been landlocked our whole life, we're just trying to go on the entire border
Yep.
and go up. So we're going to go down to Key West, hit mile marker 1.
Oh yeah.
And then up to Maine, and that's just kind of our route. You know, if we need to go to Memphis or sneak in to see our friends or something, we will. For the most part, we want to stay by the ocean because we never see it.
Any mechanicals? Have you had any issues?
So first day,
First day.
first day,
No, not the first day.
we were probably 2 hours from home, and we broke the speedometer cable, and the water pump went out in the for the sink though,
Okay.
not the
yeah.
not the van.
Okay, not in the.
Besides that, I haven't had an issue.
Oh man, knock on wood.
Knock on wood, yeah.
Oh,
So
that's awesome.
we have a little bit of a tranny leak, so yeah, we have that, but besides that, no.
Did y'all switch off on driving, or?
Oh yeah, tell them about that.
Uh-oh.
She drives it better than I do, but she's probably driven an hour in the entire trip so far. So
Yeah.
Has Bentley driven some too?
Yeah. He's my
Where does he ride? Where does he ride? I mean,
he
between
sleeps.
y'all or in the
Nope,
jump?
only passenger seat, wheel well. The only place he sits.
What kind of tires are you running?
These are BFG KO2s.
Okay, and they're on the Go Westy 16s.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And then
And you said, have you done anything to the suspension to raise it up a little bit?
yeah,
or-
we just put like inch blocks on the entire thing, so it's not really like lift springs. We just
Just
put
raise it
blocks
up a
in.
little bit?
We weigh 6,000 pounds, so we're heavy as.
I was gonna say. And the Subaru motor.
Yeah.
What's the story on that? Did you pick one up? Or is it-
So I bought one, rebuilt it. got the wiring harness for it all, and that motor lasted us 2 months.
Oh.
We were going through about a quart of oil every 100 miles probably. So then they warranted the motor, rebuilt it, and then they put the motor in the second time, and we haven't had an issue since.
So being Subaru conversion, and you literally are tipping the scales at 6,000 pounds.
Yeah.
What kind of mileage do you think you're getting?
We're getting between 18 and 20 depending on how fast we go.
Really?
So, yeah, it's unreal.
All right, so you guys are the Rockin' Westie on Instagram, is that right? Okay.
Yeah.
So if, everybody at home, make sure you click on, it's gonna blow up, y'all. I mean, well, I just want to tell you guys how cool it is to meet y'all,
Yeah.
and thank y'all for sharing your story. It is just so cool what y'all are doing.
Yeah.
You truly are doing what a lot of people want to do, and I'm so happy for y'all that you're doing it. You're young, you get out and do it now, man.
Yeah.
I mean, this is think about the stories in the lifetime y'all are. This is something that will carry you forever, you know. And so
wanted
thank
to do
you.
it while we were young.
Exactly. You know? It's a pleasure to meet y'all, and thank you for your time today. And then just you and Bentley and everybody,
Yeah.
just continued safe travels.
Thank you.
And thank y'all so much for joining us
appreciate
here on VW Life, because it really is cool. I really appreciate it, y'all.
Well, thank you.
It's
for
nice to
Awesome.
meet
Yeah,
you.
nice meeting you.
You're welcome, buddy. Matt Jackson.
Gary.
What a night.
What a night. 21 Volkswagens.
21 Volkswagens.
Fun was had by
Oh,
all.
needless to say.
We got to meet.
Katie and Cody and Bentley on their adventures. They're rockin' Westie. How
Yes.
cool is that?
Did you guys like it? Leave us a comment.
Yeah, they are living the dream. I mean, that everybody says go live the Vanagon life, the van life.
Adventures out there in the
Yeah,
real world.
they're doing it. Thank you guys for joining us tonight. Happy New Year, everybody. I mean, what a great way to get started in 2021.
Yeah, maybe this year will turn around and
Yep.
we'll have 50 Volkswagens this summer.
Yeah, who knows? Just stay with us. We love doing this for you guys. Remember, tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. We do this for you guys, the VW community, because this is what it's all about. Go out there and get people together. Have some fun in your Volkswagens, everybody.